welcome back. This is what we're going to be doing today. A nice soft glam, my going out makeup basically. This is what I wear if I'm going anywhere on occasion, if I'm going out, if I'm going for a meal, date night, anything. It's perfect. You've got a nice glittery gold, nice soft gold, nothing too heavy and dark. I've sort of moved away from that for going out at the moment. I think it just brings out your eyes better and just really focuses your skin looking nice and glowy. So we're going to be doing this today. Any questions or anything, put it in the comments below, or again, comment messages on Instagram for anything you want to see. If you have any questions about anything I've used, just ask. But this is it. And so I've just put my base all over my lid ready for my first shadow. Just creasing a little bit. Make sure you've got no creases in it, because I've been fannying around trying to set up my mirror in the living room. The first colour we're going to go in with again is the P. Louise palette, and it is Fling, the most used one in the palette that I've got. I'm going to go straight into the crease with that. And I'm using quite a fat brush. This is the Spectrum one, because we're only going to be using two colours here. So I want this one to be packed on quite deep and quite dark. You don't want to take it too high. You literally just want it to just be sort of in your crease and slightly showing above. I have quite a deep crease, so it does look a lot, but with my eyes open, look, you can't really see it. Now I'm just going in with a MAC 221S just to soften that harsh edge and wing it out. Can you tell I'm a Tiger fan? Once you've got the ends of that softly blended out, so you've got like the depth in your crease and that's slowly blended out, and then take in is a Weaver 223 and Dark Tan from MAC. It's like this nice warm sort of colour, and we're going to blend out up to the brow. Just again making it softer. This is a nice fluffy brush, so it does disperse it quite softly. If you ever feel like you've gone too high, I'm just taking a clean sort of fluffy brush that I used a little bit to pack my concealer in and just softening that edge. Once I've finished sort of blending that out till I'm happy with it and it's quite soft and you can't see where it starts and ends, I just start to go back in with the colours I've just used and deepen that blend in the crease, and again just softening it back out. So just keep doing that until you're happy with it. So now you can see I've got a nice sort of deep blend going into like a warmer blend on my eye. So I'm just going to now take my P. Louise base and see this like space on my eyelid. I'm going to put it all over there ready for when we pop the pigment on. And I'm just using Morph M546, like nice and pointed. I'm just patting it on there, like the most of the product you want on there. And then I'm just almost as if I'm like carving my crease, but I'm not. I'm just sort of slowly following me crease around, because you want a soft edge, so just keep buffing and blending like that. Take it a bit closer. Now you can see I've just got like a soft sort of spot there ready to pack my pigment on, well, dust my pigment on. Now I'm just taking Chainmail from Peaches and Cream. It's like a goldy, silvery, rusty, like it's a really nice colour, and we're going to dust that all over this space with, I'm using an inglot brush. It's a, I'm not sure, it's that sort of one. Excuse the tan on my hands. Now I've got the pigment on, which you can see it's giving it a nice shimmer, which we will intensify in a little while. I'm going in with Costa Riche, which is just a MAC pencil, roughly putting it along my lash line. You want to concentrate it more on the outer corner. As you can see, it's a bit messy, but it can be. Now I'm going in with Love Struck just to buff that out. I'm going to do it on a little bullet brush, like this one will do. This one's just a MAC 219. I'm just running that over the top of Costa Riche. Now I've blown that out, I'm just taking a little bit of dark tan and just softening it right up on the edge of that darker brown. Now I've done that, I'm just going to add a bit more sparkle onto my lid using the Too Faced Glitter Peel Off Liner. It's like a really nice sparkly gold. Literally going to randomly run it across my lid. You always better doing that after you've done the liner, because it just sort of sticks and goes gloopy and you can't blend out. Now I'm just going to take the Costa Riche again and pop it into my waterline. And then I'm going to set that with the Love Struck eyeshadow. Just patting it on and just joining it up with that bit on the outside. Now just take your P. Louise base, I've just got some on the back of my hand, and you want to put it underneath your eye up to your waterline. Now I've got my underneath base on, I'm going to take a bit of Fling again, run that underneath, and then dark tan on the MAC small brush again, because you don't want a lot under your eye, you just want a little bit. So I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye and put my lashes on, and then we'll do skin together. So now I'm just going to go in, now I've done my eyes with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC42. Over. Now my foundation's on, I'm just taking L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Latte and putting that heavily under my eyes and down my nose. Now the concealer's all blended into my skin, I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix NC30 powder and patting that to just where I put the concealer just to set it. Now I'm going to take dark tan back again and start bronzing. Getting rid of my double chins. A bit on my forehead just to tie everything in. Make my forehead look a little bit smaller and less like a 5-head. And I'm going with Peaches blusher from MAC. Fave. I'm just patting that onto my cheeks. Just to give a nice peachy glow. And I'm going to take MAC Whisperer Gilt for highlight. I'm just going to spray it a little bit just so it's damp and goes on a bit more intense. While we've got the highlighter, I'm going to take a bullet brush and just put a little bit in my inner corner. Brighten that up. I'm going to go camera and do my brows. So I've got my brows on now. I've just used the NYX eyebrow gel and drew them on in hair strokes as I usually do. Rather than using an eyeshadow, it's just a bit thicker and it stays on a bit longer. Now I'm going to take the NYX Professional Makeup Pencil in Urban Cafe to do my liner. Now that's on, I'm going to take the Rolled Out Doll Beauty lipstick. It's like a really peachy pinky colour. And just pat it in. I'm just putting a little bit of Fashion Punch gloss from MAC in the middle. That's that. So this is the finished soft glam look. You've got a nice highlight, just a nice soft shimmer across, and really neutral browns, and then a nude lip as always, because I never don't do a nude lip. I've got my same bronzers, nice bronze skin. I like quite a defined brow because I've not got much brow, but that's that. Perfect for going out every day if you want. You don't have to even put the brown liner across the top, and that can make it even more neutral and even softer. But I haven't got the best lashes, so I do like a bit of something, and I like a heavier makeup, so you expect a bit from me. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.